So I just want to share with you a very simple strategy on volatility 25 on a trade that I took. And as you can see, this is a real account. Okay, now it's a small account of $7, and I want to see if I can grow this account to $100 and even further down. Okay, so you can see that this is a running trade and this is a real account also, because when you click here you see just deposit and withdraw. So this is not a demo account. So basically what did I do? You can see here there was a pattern that was forming here. All right, so the market was creating higher highs and higher lows, higher high and higher lows, higher highs. So I'm expecting the market to create another higher low before I exit this trade over here. So if I just make it landscape mode, you can see that we can draw something here. So if I make this into line chart, you see that you can draw there is a level here. Okay, then so this is pure price action. Then you can clone this and then put another one down here. Okay, yeah, so you can see that this market is forming something like that on the 4 hours. So we are still waiting for this market to come all the way up to here, somewhere around here, before we can be able to exit. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour time frame, and you see on the 1 hour time frame, then this one even becomes more clear. So let's go to the line chart that we can be able to put it nicely like that. Then also this one we put it nicely like that. Okay, beautiful. So you can see that marking the places. The reason why I'm drawing here is because there was a touch here, another touch here, another touch here. Then down here there was a touch here and a touch here. That's the reason why I've drawn these trend lines. Okay, so if I go back to this, then you can see that this market still has a potential to move, to continue coming down further. All right, so I'm expecting this market to continue coming down, all the way up somewhere around here before maybe I can exit the market. So already I'm in profit and already I've adjusted my stop loss to above entry, but just in case this market reverses, then it doesn't find me on the wrong side of the market. So this is very simple. Even if I use an indicator, maybe you can use Bollinger Bands. You can see that when this market got here, so this is like a resistance, and then this is like a support. Right, so you can see that this market got here, there was some rejection here. You can see I don't know if you can see, let me zoom this out. You can see that there was a rejection candlestick here, so the sellers are pushing this market down, and that is where now we entered somewhere around here. Then you can see that we are still in profit. So but remember, indicators are not like signals. Okay, they just help you, but you must be able to understand price action. You must be able to know where your zones are. You must be able to know where your support and resistance are. You must be able to draw these things before you bring in indicators. So let's wait and see how this is gonna play out. I still believe that this market can still come all the way up to here. So maybe what we can do is we can adjust our stop take profit. Let's see, maybe this market will come up somewhere around here, 392, 820, 54. So 392, 820, 54. Yes, there. So what you can do is that, let's go back to the normal position. We can copy this at point here, copy that, and then go back here, then modify position, and then can paste it there. So that is where our take profit is. So you can see that if I remove this, you see that our take profit has been adjusted. So I'm anticipating that this market will come all the way up to this level over here and hit our TP before now we start also looking for buying opportunities to the upside, just in case this market is not able to break and continue going down. So we'll send you a follow-up video on this to see how this is playing out.